In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a WhatsApp web shortcut on Google Chrome. This simple process will make accessing WhatsApp web more convenient, allowing you to get connected quickly and effortlessly from your desktop or laptop. Let's dive into the steps. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, navigate to the WhatsApp web page by typing web.whatsapp.com into your address bar and hitting enter. Once the page loads, you'll see the familiar interface that allows you to link your phone to WhatsApp web. However, before diving into the features of WhatsApp web, let's make it even easier to access by creating a shortcut. Take a look at the top right corner of your Chrome window. You'll see the 3 vertical dots icon, which is your gateway to Chrome's menu. Click on this icon to open the drop-down menu. Now, from this menu, look for the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share. Don't worry if this option isn't directly visible in the initial menu. You might need to hover over certain categories to find it, as the menu dynamically shows some options. Once you spot Cast, Save, and Share, you're one step closer to shortcut bliss. The next action is straightforward. Within this submenu, you'll see an option labeled Create Shortcut. Go ahead and click on this option. A small dialog box will appear, giving you a couple of choices for your shortcut. It allows you to customize the shortcut's name, though it usually defaults to WhatsApp. This is entirely up to you, but you might want to leave it as is for easy recognition. Additionally, there's an option to open this shortcut as a window. By selecting this, when you click your shortcut later, it will open WhatsApp web in a separate, streamlined window without the usual browser tabs and controls. It's a nice touch that provides an app-like experience. Once you've made your decisions, click the Create button. Congratulations! You've now successfully created a WhatsApp web shortcut on your device. This shortcut will typically appear on your desktop, though depending on your system settings, it might also be found in your Applications menu or dock. With your newly minted shortcut, accessing WhatsApp web is now just a double click away, saving you time and keeping your conversations just a quick shortcut away. In summary, by creating a WhatsApp web shortcut, you bring a level of convenience to your communication tools, ensuring that staying in touch with friends and family is as seamless as possible. Enjoy your streamlined WhatsApp experience.